Thinking about starting a dropshipping business? Ever wondered if you can find and sell products from suppliers in the US, Europe, or other parts of the world, all without worrying about long shipping times and unreliable quality? That's where Spocket comes in. But what exactly is Spocket, and can you really build a successful online store using their platform? That's what we're diving into today. Spocket is a dropshipping marketplace that acts as a bridge between you, the seller, and a huge network of suppliers. Unlike some other platforms that are heavily populated with suppliers from Asia, Spocket prides itself on having a high concentration of suppliers from the US, Europe, Canada, and Australia. This is a game changer for dropshippers who want to offer faster shipping and higher quality products to their customers. So, let's get to the main question: can you sell on Spocket? The answer is a resounding yes, but it's not as simple as just signing up. You don't directly sell on the Spocket platform itself. Instead, Spocket is the tool you use to find products and suppliers that you then list and sell on your own e-commerce store. Think of it like this: Spocket is your product sourcing engine, and your Shopify, BigCommerce, or WooCommerce store is your storefront. The process is surprisingly simple. You connect your e-commerce store to Spocket, browse their extensive catalog of products, and with a single click, you can add them to your store. The product details, images, and descriptions are all automatically imported, saving you hours of manual work. When a customer places an order on your store, the order is automatically pushed to the Spocket app. You just pay the wholesale price for the product, and the supplier handles the rest, packaging and shipping the item directly to your customer. You never have to touch the product yourself. This is a massive advantage for new entrepreneurs. You can start a business without any upfront inventory costs, meaning you can test different products and niches without a huge financial risk. The ability to source products from local suppliers in key markets means your customers get their orders faster. This is crucial for building trust and getting repeat business. In an age where customers expect quick delivery, a 3 to 5 day shipping window from a US supplier is far more appealing than a 3 to 4 week wait from overseas. But what about the competition? Is it saturated? While dropshipping, in general, is a competitive space, Spocket helps you stand out. They have a curated list of high-quality products and suppliers. Many of these suppliers offer unique, handmade, or small batch items that you won't find on other dropshipping platforms. This allows you to differentiate your store and build a brand around products that are not just generic and mass-produced. Another key feature is Spocket's sample order program. Before you commit to selling a product, you can order a sample to be shipped directly to you. This is invaluable. It lets you check the product quality, the packaging, and the shipping speed firsthand. You can take your own photos and videos of the product, which can give your marketing a more authentic, personal touch, further setting you apart from the competition. While Spocket does have a subscription fee, it's a small price to pay for the access to a quality network of suppliers and the tools they provide. They also offer a free plan with limited access, so you can explore the platform and see the types of products available before you commit. So, you can absolutely sell on Spocket, but remember that it's a tool, not a marketplace for your customers. It's the engine that powers your own e-commerce store, providing you with a reliable source of high-quality products from suppliers who prioritize fast shipping and excellent service. It's an ideal platform for anyone who wants to start a dropshipping business with a focus on quality and customer satisfaction. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.